Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss how to become official host in Poppo Live. Download the Poppo Live app from the App Store or Play Store. Open the Poppo Live app and log in with Gmail or mobile number. Go to My Agency option from Profile. Enter agency aid that you want to join, LH Talent Agency. After joining agency, go to Authentication option from your profile. Select Go after Face Authentication option. First upload a photo of your, then start to certificate your profile with a live video face verification. Complete your profile before and start your broadcast.